We are at 4090 South, 300 East, Unit A at the Wembley Park Apartments. This unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, available through HomeRiver Group. Through the front door, you can see there's quite a spacious living area. And out through the living area, there is an attached patio. Has wonderful views of all of the green space here at this complex. That building in front of you does have a coin-operated laundry room available for tenant use. Attached to this patio is a large storage space. Coming back inside the unit here, we'll go take a look at the kitchen, which also has a spacious dining area for a 1-bedroom. Even though this is a ground floor unit, this does have quite a bit of natural light that comes through. Coming out of the kitchen, to your right is the utility closet, and in front of us we have the bedroom. On the right-hand side we have the walk-in closet, and this closet does include washer-dryer hookups with space for an electric dryer. And then coming back around, we have the full bathroom. If you have any questions about this unit or the Wembley Park Apartments, please contact HomeRiver Group at 801-349-2585 or at our website, saltlakecity-propertymanagement.com.